we're making French toast. So what you will need is 2 eggs, a cup of milk, cinnamon, a dash of vanilla, a bit of butter, and for the end, we're gonna use powdered sugar, some strawberries, and syrup. And the most important part is the bread. So the first thing we're gonna add is the 1 cup of milk. And then we're gonna add the 2 eggs. And then we're gonna mix them up. Now we're gonna add the cinnamon. And now we're gonna add the vanilla. Now since everything's mixed, we're gonna go to the stove so now we can start cooking. Now since the pan is heated, we're gonna add the butter on the pan. When you add the butter, you're gonna spread it out around the pan. Now we're gonna get the bread and put it in the mix. Make sure the bread has mixed everywhere. Then we're gonna put it on the pan. Then you're gonna grab your second bread and do the same thing. Once you put it in the pan, you're gonna let it cook from 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Then after that, you're gonna flip it. Now that it's done, we're gonna add the strawberries. You can put as many as you want. Now we're gonna add the syrup. Not a lot, but some. Now we're gonna add the powdered sugar. Make sure to put the powdered sugar everywhere on your French toast. If you want, you can add a little bit of whipped cream. Now your French toast is ready to eat. The French toast was yummy. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell. Bye!